welcome back to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to be flipping these side tables that I found on Marketplace. But I'm going to be trying something new today, so I'm really excited. I'm going to be adding some texture with this bamboo mat that I bought on Amazon. So I have seen a lot of people do this, but a lot of times they're using pole wrap. And the reason I went with a bamboo mat is because pole wrap is like $80 at Home Depot. And I got this for $15, I believe, on Amazon. So it is way more affordable than the pole wrap. And from what I've seen, it looks just as pretty. So I'm really excited to try that. We're gonna add it to the drawers of this piece. We're gonna change the hardware. We're just gonna give it a completely brand new look. So I'm excited to get this started. As always, please, thank you for following me along. So I start by sanding with my Bosch sander at 120 grit, and then I am cleaning with some Crud Cutter, but you can also use water and vinegar. Okay, I've got these scuff sanded and cleaned up, and so now I'm going to be using an all-in-one paint to paint them, and this is Melange One, and it's jet black. I know, crazy, I'm not doing my Solstice green color that I always do, but I thought I'd change it up because why not? So because this has a primer inside of it, I don't have to prime these, so I'm just going to go ahead and start painting. So I start by removing the backing with my razor, and then I use a chisel and a hammer to make the cuts because I don't have a saw. It takes a long time, but it works pretty well. Then I remove the backing and I add wood glue. I would just be careful not to use too much because it can seep through, and then you'll be able to see it through the cracks. Next, I put books and weights on and let it dry overnight. And then I sand down the top and sand the entire thing completely so it is ready to be painted. The final step is grabbing the hardware that I got off Amazon and measuring that out and drilling the holes, and then we are almost finished. Okay guys, we are finally done with the side tables. Now I'll let you take a look. You can see I'm filming Supergirl.
So sorry.
So if you can take a look at the texture and what it looks like, I really love it. It is such a different look than what I started with these. I just think that texture, it's one of my favorite things. It just changes the look of the furniture so much, and I'm super happy with these. Before I sell them, I typically, even though this is an all-in-one paint, I typically go over it, especially with black, with like the Dixie Belle satin top coat. And I'm sure I'll do that too. I'll probably do that tonight. Just for extra protection. So, but let me know what you think. I will get these staged as always for you guys. I did say, or one takeaway was in some of these grooves, there was glue that dried. So I had to go through and pick that out, which was pretty annoying. So I would just make sure if you're doing this that you don't get too much glue and it doesn't seep through, and that you wipe it away right away. So overall, it was really easy. I would say the thing that took the longest was cutting these or like hammering those basically, because I don't have a saw. So One of my future goals though, to get us all and learn. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope this is encouraging to you guys. I hope you learned something. Please feel free to question, or please feel free to ask any questions. Please let me know what you guys think. I'm hoping the black sells well. We'll see, you never know. Please hit like and subscribe.